The Whirlwind THS series of sports announcer boxes combine high-quality headphone amplification with various microphone control options in rugged metal desktop chassis. THS boxes are ergonomically designed to put the control buttons within easy reach of the announcer even while shuffling through stat sheets. The headphone amplifiers are designed to deliver powerful, undistorted audio that can be heard over an arena full of screaming fans. The THS-1 models of sports announcer boxes have single-button mic controls. The THS-1T is push to talk, and the THS-1M is push to mute. The microphone output of the THS-1 boxes is a passive, straight-through connection. There are 3 headphone inputs: left, right, and aux. One front panel volume control adjusts the level of both the left and right inputs. The second volume control adjusts the level of the aux input, which feeds left and right ears equally. The THS-2 sports announcer box has 2 mic control buttons, a latching mic on-off switch, and a momentary cough switch. Like the THS-1, the THS Box 2 is also a passive straight-through connection, and there are 3 headphone inputs for left, right, and mono. Left and right have individual front panel volume controls. The mono input feeds left and right ears equally and has its own volume control. The THS-3 and THS-4 Talkback headphone boxes are all-purpose, fully loaded sports announcer consoles. Both main and Talkback microphone outputs are provided, with mic on-off, cough, and Talkback switches for control. The Talkback output is line level with a trim control, and the main microphone output of the THS-3 will be live on air if power is lost when using dynamic microphones. There are 2 assignable inputs for the headphones with balanced and unbalanced connections. Each input can be assigned to the left, right, or both ears. The left and right headphone amplifiers have individual volume controls that adjust the overall level in each ear. The THS-3 and THS-4 are identical, except for the way volume controls operate. The THS-3 controls are labeled left and right and adjust the left and right headphone earpieces independently. The THS-4 volume controls are labeled input 1 and input 2 and set the same level in both ears for that input when selected by the input assigned switches. The THS-5 Talkback headphone box is an all-purpose sports announcer console with unique mixing features for ultimate monitoring flexibility. There are 2 balanced XLR inputs for the headphones. Each input has a volume control and a pan pot for setting left-right headphone balance. The announcer's microphone can be added to the headphone mix via volume and pan pots. A master headphone volume controls the overall mix. The THS-R Talkback headphone box is a specialized sports announcer console designed to operate with RTS IFB systems. Main and Talkback microphone outputs are provided, with cough and Talkback switches for control. The Talkback output is line level with a trim control, and the main microphone output of the THS-R will remain live on air if power is lost when using dynamic microphones. Interupt and non-interrupt headphone signals, as well as power for the THS-R, are connected through a female 3-pin XLR connector. Each input signal has a volume control and assigned switches to the left and/or right headphones. Input level adjustments affect both left and right ears equally. Whirlwind has been making pro audio solutions for over 45 years. Their American-made products are tried and true and known as the industry standard.